The Home Edit, a guide to organizing and realizing your house goals by Clea Shearer and Joanna Teplin, is a comprehensive guidebook that teaches readers how to declutter, organize, and maintain their homes. The book is divided into several sections, each focusing on a specific area of the home, such as the kitchen, bathroom, closet, and living spaces. Throughout the book, the authors share their expertise and unique organizational systems, which they have developed through their successful home organization business, the Home Edit. The first section of the book, titled The Basics, sets the foundation for the rest of the guide. It covers essential organizational principles, such as editing your belongings, creating categories, and using color coding and labeling systems. The authors emphasize the importance of starting with a clean slate by purging items that no longer serve a purpose or bring joy. They also discuss the psychology behind clutter and offer strategies for overcoming emotional attachments to possessions. The second section, the kitchen, focuses on organizing the central hub of the home. The authors provide step-by-step instructions for tackling various kitchen areas, including pantries, refrigerators, countertops, and cabinets. They recommend using clear containers, labeling systems, and vertical storage solutions to maximize space and keep items easily accessible. They also offer tips for organizing small appliances, cookware, and tabletop items. The third section, the bathroom, covers organizing strategies for this often overlooked but essential area of the home. The authors suggest using baskets, trays, and hooks to corral toiletries, medications, and other bathroom essentials. They also provide advice for organizing linen closets, shower caddies, and towel storage. In addition, they offer ideas for creating a relaxing spa-like atmosphere in the bathroom. The fourth section, the closet, is dedicated to helping readers optimize their wardrobe space. The authors explain how to edit your clothes based on color, style, and fit, and how to categorize them using a system known as the Home Edit method. They recommend using clear storage solutions such as drawer dividers, hanging organizers, and shelving units to keep items visible and easily accessible. They also offer tips for organizing shoes, accessories, and seasonal clothing. The fifth section, living spaces, covers organizing strategies for the rest of the home, including bedrooms, living rooms, home offices, and playrooms. The authors emphasize the importance of creating functional spaces that reflect the homeowner's personality and lifestyle. They suggest using furniture pieces with multiple functions, such as ottomans that double as storage, and incorporating built-in storage solutions where possible. They also offer advice for organizing books, media, and other entertainment items. The sixth and final section, Keep It That Way, provides ongoing maintenance tips for sustaining an organized home. The authors stress the importance of developing routines and habits that support organization, such as regular decluttering sessions and maintaining a designated landing zone for incoming items. They also offer advice for dealing with common organizational challenges, such as managing paper clutter and keeping children's toys under control. Throughout the book, the authors share numerous real-life case studies and before and after photos that demonstrate the effectiveness of their organizational systems. They also include helpful checklists, worksheets, and templates that readers can use to plan and implement their own organizational projects. The Home Edit, a guide to organizing and realizing your house goals, is an invaluable resource for anyone looking to create a more functional, beautiful, and stress-free living environment.